This review is of Lily's 55% cacao dark chocolate baking chips. Stevia sweetened, no sugar added, fair trade, non-GMO, gluten-free, Parav. Here's the blurb. And nutrition facts. 24 chips have got 4 grams of fat, of which 2.5 are saturated, no trans fats, no cholesterol or sodium, 8 grams of carbs, of which 5 are dietary fiber, no sugars, 3 grams of erythritol, and 1 gram of protein. And here are the ingredients. Well, based on prior experience with Lily's, it's probably not sweet enough. Lily seems to go too conservative when it comes to putting sweetener in their products. But when this is normally $20 and I got it for $5 at Ollie's, wow. I resolved to try it. Even though it is just 55%. And also because my son wants some chocolate chips so that he can enjoy. Actually, they're not bad. I wouldn't mind if they were a little bit sweeter, but they're not bad. Yeah. These are actually decent for 55%. So I would prefer something with more chocolate in it, but I'm not going to complain about $5 for 24 ounces. I'll give this a 7. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.